What's up, kids? It's Devlog Saturday, and the game finally has graphics again. It also has bullets again.
おお、
どうかしました先生。
1000円拾いました。
Now, I can hear your protests. What the hell is this, Bearman? The game was already a visual abomination, and now you've taken even that from it. I'm calling the cops. Calm down. Put down the phone. It's not what it looks like. This is merely one of the 10 steps I have to take backward before I can take 2 steps forward. As a programmer, I am required, by the laws of good practice, to butcher what I have created. Anyway, what matters is that I finally have a visual representation of the 1,000-odd lines of code that I've written these past few weeks and can more plainly see what kind of performance I'm getting. Now, this is all well and good. The component system is basically complete, the few systems I've plugged back in are working fine, and stuff is appearing on screen again. There's only one problem, which requires a little explanation. Currently, the most prominent design pattern in my program is something vaguely resembling a factory pattern. Whenever I have multiple types of one object that each need to be handled differently, I create them using a factory function that basically amounts to a big switch statement with a case for each type. Now, ordinarily, what you're supposed to do is give each object type a common interface of methods so that the rest of your program doesn't have to distinguish between types. So what's the problem? The problem is that I'm way too stubborn, and I didn't want to put any methods in my entities or components, and instead let my subsystems handle all of the actual functions. So instead of using one switch statement and a set of simple interfaces between my objects and subsystems, I have several switch statements throughout the program, and I have to go through and add cases to each and every one of them anytime I want to do anything ever. This is, objectively, the worst possible way I could be doing things. In fact, it's reminding me of the Yandere simulator codebase, and this distresses me greatly. So, the first thing after I upload this devlog, I plan to correct this error. It should only take a few hours, and I'll finally be able to resume implementing my entity system and putting the graphics back in the game. That's all I have time for today, so stay tuned. This week, I plan to continue resurrecting the husk of this game and hopefully add some features. Till then, enjoy your day and have a great week.